Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're here today to do a quick video on Excel text functions. So we have uppercase, lowercase, and proper case. And if you've been given a list of names and you want to change them to uppercase, or you want to change them to lowercase or proper case, then this is the formula for you. So jumping right in, first one is uppercase, and the syntax for all three of these is the same. So it's equal sign, upper, and then click in the cell that you want to change, close, enter, boom, done. And then of course the shortcut to this is you double click, copy all the way down. Lowercase, same thing, equal except lower. Reference that cell, close parenthesis, boom. Double click, you got it all the way down. Proper case, same thing, equals proper. Boom. Double click all the way down. There you have it. So give this a thumbs up if you liked the video. Be sure to share it with a buddy. And also please subscribe to the page so that you'll be alerted as to the release of new content as it comes out. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.